To start customizing a name, we first use the Text Object tool to type the name we want. Here, you can test different fonts and choose the one that fits your design. Make sure to pick a font that's clean and easy to read, especially if you plan to connect the letters. Avoid thin or decorative fonts. They usually cause problems later when it comes to casting or production. After choosing the font, the next step is adjusting the spacing between the letters. When we bring the letters closer or connect them, it's really important to keep the text readable. Sometimes you might need to manually move or tweak parts of the letters to make sure they don't blend into each other too much. The goal is to create a smooth, connected design but still keep the name clear. Next, we need to join the curves together using the Curve Boolean tool. This helps merge all the overlapping parts into one clean, single shape. After applying it, always zoom in and check the details to make sure the connections are smooth and there are no small gaps or messy overlaps. Now we're going to soften the sharp corners using the Fillet Curve tool. This makes the edges look smoother and gives the whole design a more polished feel. Rounded corners are also better for casting and wearing, especially for jewelry pieces that touch the skin. Before turning the design into a 3D shape, it's really important to check the size. Make sure the thickness of the letters is suitable for the final piece, depending on whether it's for a ring, pendant, or bracelet. I always use millimeters to measure, and I double-check to be sure the design is both practical and wearable. Now it's time to give the design thickness using the Extrude tool. This turns our flat 2D text into a solid 3D shape. The thickness depends on the type of jewelry you're making, but usually something between 1 to 2.5 millimeters works well for pendants or bracelets. As the final step, I use the Fillet Edge tool to round the sharp edges of the 3D shape. This gives the piece a softer, more finished look and makes it more comfortable to wear. It also helps reduce sharp spots that might cause problems during polishing or casting.